Okay. Sorry, I forgot to make cat videos, but we got them a little bed, and it's pouring outside. Yeah. Better stay back. Yeah, it's pretty wet. Puddles everywhere. So I need to find Kitty. And there is Pumpkin. Nine. Kitties! Oh, I think I know where they are. Come on, kitties! There he is! Ain't that cute? Come on! Yes! You! Come on, too. Hi there, come on. Hi, kitty. Oh, yeah, you're a good little kitty. You? You're as dark as the night. And you're as gray as the hay. Boom, rhyme. Meow.